In the last few months, there has been a lot of FUD about NFTs from famous people like Andrew Tate, Elon Musk, Theo Von, and many others.
The funny thing is that the NFT is not even on the blockchain. It's just a URL to the JPEG.
And I understand that 90% of NFT projects went to zero or close to zero, but that's what usually happens in the crypto markets. We experience the 4-year cycles. So for me personally, that's nothing really special or nothing new. That's just how crypto works. And you can definitely see in this chart that we basically went from the highest top to the lowest point. But in the last month, as you can see here, we have been going up. And looking at the fact that we are like 90 days away from Bitcoin halving, NFT market will most likely start going up alongside the crypto market. And one of the signs that proves this is that many projects in NFT space have been going up for the last few months. For example, Pudgy Penguins basically went from 0.6 Ethereum in 2022 to 17 Ethereum right now, which is insanely bullish in the current market. And in the last 2 days, we had 2 CryptoPunk sweeps for around $2 million each. And as many people might remember, in late 2020 and early 2021, this was the first thing that made NFTs go mainstream, and it was the fact that many people were sweeping these NFTs called CryptoPunks. And if many people think that NFTs are dead, then CryptoPunk's floor price right now is more than $150,000, which is insane because, you know, like 90% of people think that NFTs are dead like forever. And these big NFT sales just proves that we are going back in this hype or NFT euphoria that was in 2021, but this time it will probably be like 50 times or 100 times bigger because there are hundreds of major brands that have been building actively since like 2021. And while many people think that NFTs are dead, those brands have been building. And right now you can see in the Google Trends where we are right now. And if you believe that NFTs will come back and we will go 50 or 100 times higher, that means that this is probably the last year that you can do your research and find many undervalued NFT projects and NFT grails. And in my opinion, the gaming NFTs will go the highest in the next bull run because gaming, as many people know, is the biggest entertainment industry in the world. And I will be reviewing many NFT gaming projects and many NFT crypto projects, so stay tuned. And if you think the NFTs will come back, press subscribe because I will be bringing the alpha and I will be reviewing the most undervalued and hidden NFT gaming gems. So press like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.